Greetings, Earthling.
Whoa, are you a kid alien robot?
Yes, I am, and I have been sent by my master to learn English from humans. You can call me Sparky.
Wow, you want to learn English from us? That's awesome. But hey, right now I'm a little bit busy.
You do not understand human. I will not take busy as an answer.
Whoa, I didn't mean to boil your blood.
If you do not teach me now, your Earth will experience Armageddon.
Whoa, all right, I'll teach you. Well, what did you want to learn?
I'm having a lot of trouble learning about this word get. G-E-T. It's really confusing. There are just too many meanings with this word.
Oh, you know what, Sparky? I totally understand where you're coming from. All right, so let me try my best to make this as easy for you to understand as possible.
Great, I'm delighted. Wait a minute, what is your name?
Oh, my name is Sam.
Alright, Sam, continue.
Okay, so here's the thing. With this word get, there are 3 ways for you to use it.
Alright.
The first way is the easiest and the most obvious one. Whenever you're trying to obtain something, use this word get. So for example, I really need to get a girlfriend. Or, I finally got a car. You see, in this instance, I'm trying to obtain something. In my examples, a girlfriend or a car.
Okay, that seems easy enough. What's the second way in using this word get?
Alright, so the second way is also very simple. Whenever you are trying to arrive at a place, that's when you can use this word get as well.
Can you give me some examples?
Of course, Sparky. Listen up. When did you get back from Toronto? Or I just got home. You see, over here, I am asking when you arrived, when you got back from this location to that location. And as well, in the second example, I just arrived at a place, which was my home. So if we sum up very quickly, get, obtain, and get, arrive at a place should now be very clear for you to use.
Yes, it is, and I'm getting very excited about learning. So what's the third way in using the word get?
Well, Sparky, I really love your enthusiasm for learning. But you see, the third way is a little bit trickier, so I need your full, undivided attention.
I'm all ears, Sam. Bring it on.
Alright, so the third way of using the word get is when you want to show some sort of change that has happened or is happening.
Uh-huh.
So take a look at this example. It's getting so stuffy here. Or, the summer's getting so hot. Or, it got awkward. Notice when I say it's getting so stuffy here, it wasn't stuffy before, but now that state has changed to stuffy. And on the second example, the summer's getting hot, it means that it wasn't that hot before, but now as the days are going on, it's getting hot. So there's a bit of a change there as well. And then the third example, it got awkward. So maybe it wasn't that awkward before, but that has changed for some reason, and now it is awkward.
Wow, Sam, I'm starting to understand, but it's still a little bit random to me, you know?
I know what you mean, but let me show you how it's not really all that random. Let's review one more time the first way of using the word get.
Alright, that's easy. That's get, obtain.
That's right, you are getting something, you are obtaining something. Now notice the second way of using the word get.
Right, that's get, arrive at a place.
Exactly. Now I want you to really think about this for a moment. That place has obtained something. The first example you see is when you obtain something, but the second way of using get is when a certain place, a location is obtaining something. By example over here, I said, when did you get back from Toronto? Here we are talking about 2 locations. The first location is unknown, and the second location is Toronto, and I am asking, when did this new location obtain you? Or in other words, when did this new location get you from Toronto?
Wait a minute. So if you really think about it, the second way of using get is still kind of
Exactly. Now you're understanding.
But what about the third way of using get? Get change.
Well, Sparky, let's think about it. Let's use our first example. It's getting stuffy here. The word here indicates a certain location. And if you really think about it, something has arrived in this location, which is this thing called stuffy. I mean, it wasn't stuffy before, but now it is stuffy. So yes, it is a certain change, but that change has occurred because
Something got there. In this case, stuffiness.
Exactly. So notice how they are kind of all related. There definitely is some level of connection.
Wow, that's amazing.
Well, I'm glad it's getting easier for you. I actually have more to teach you about the word get, which in my honest opinion is a bit of a hard lesson.
Really?
Yeah, it's about using get and phrasal verbs together.
Oh my gosh, that's so great. But listen, I'm gonna go to my leader first, tell him about all that I have learned, and I'll be right back next Thursday for our next lesson.
Next Thursday? Well, I don't know about that. I think I'll be a little bit preoccupied.
Dan, I am not giving you a choice. If you do not want Armageddon for this earth, then you will teach me about get phrasal verbs.
Wow, Sparky, you are demanding, but I guess I have no choice. I'll see you next Thursday. Boom!